subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new videos.
Right over here with the cornstarch and the mix for the spices. Here we are, Thanksgiving 2022, with Ping, Master Chef, with Edward over here, Master Baker, with his beautiful fresh bread he just made and brought over. Right over here, gorgeous. And, well, of course, our friend Mr. 13-Pound Turkey, who is just visiting. He'll be gone soon, but he'll be around for dinner, for sure. And then we have Ping's casserole with this yellow squash. Here is my, what was inside the bird was the chopped veggie stuffing, along with the root vegetables that were outside. And then one of my better batches of mashed potatoes, Ping's wonderful salad, and we have here the Brussels sprouts with bacon.
And cranberry.
And cranberry. Don't forget about the cranberries. Very good.
Put a smile on me, Ping.
Yum.
This is a killer. It's warm. It's so good.